Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are learning a very useful topic in mathematics called modular arithmetic and congruence. This concept appears in clocks, calendars, computer science and competitive exam. So let's understand this step by step with simple examples. What do clocks, days of the week and leftovers from the shopping have in common? They all use modular arithmetic, math of reminders, and wraparound. Today we will learn this idea, rules, and see the simple examples. What is modular arithmetic? Modular arithmetic is when I divide a number by n, what is the remainder? We write that remainder as a mod n. That is a mod n equal to remainder when a is divided by n. In our real-time application, for example, we consider the clock. 15 is 3 o'clock because 15 mod 12 equal to the remainder become 3. The another example is days. If today is Tuesday, that is day 2, and after 9 days we get it 2 plus 9 mod 7, that is equivalent to 11 mod 7. That means the remainder become 4. Therefore the day become Friday. The next example is the shopping mall. That is you bought something for rupees 17 and paid with rupees 20. Therefore, the 20 mod 17, the remainder is 3. These are the real-time examples. Now, we can focusing on the another example. Try 40 mod 7. In this case, we have to performing the one method. The method name is the remainder method. First, we have to consider step 1. Divide 40 by 7. Write it like long division. That means the 7 goes into 40. That is 5 times covering. Because 7 into 5 equal to 35. Next, we go to the step 2. In case of step 2, we have to find the remainders. That means 40 minus 35, that is equal to 5. This remainder is the value of the 40 mod 7, that is 5. Then we have to using the another method, that is division formula. In based on the division formula, number equal to divisor, that is multiplied by the quotient plus remainder. In this example, 40 is our number, 7 is our divisor and 5 is our quotient. Again 5 is our remainder. Therefore, the division formula equation 40 equal to 7 multiplied 5 plus 5. Then move on the another example, 17 mod 7. Then first we divide the 17 by 5. Then 5 goes into the 17. We get it 3 times. Because 5 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 15. So our quotient is 3. Then move on this step 2. Find the remainder. Then to subtract the value 17 minus 15, that is equal to 2. So this leftover the value is the remainder. The final answer becomes 17 mod 5 equal to 2. Then every division follows by using the division formula. Then to apply the division formula, the given equation becomes 17 equal to 5 into 3 plus 2. This matches perfectly. So 17 mod 5 is equivalent to 2. Then to find 9 mod 3. In this case, 9 is exactly divisible by 3, so the remainder becomes 0. Next one is the congruence relations. What do you mean by the congruence relation? In case of congruence relation, we write the congruence like A congruent B mod n. This means A and B have the same remainder when divided by the n. That means n divides A minus B. Both methods are equivalent condition. For example, 17 is congruent to mod 5. We want to check whether 17 and 2 are congruent modulo 2. Then we consider method 1 by using remainders. In this case, first we have to compute 17 mod 5 and 2 mod 5. First we have to consider 17 mod 5. That is, divide 17 by 5 and 5 into 3 equal to 15. 17 minus 15 equal to 2. So 17 mod 5 equal to 2. Then to check 2 mod 5. 2 is less than 5, then remainder become 2. So 2 mod 5 equal to 2. Since both give the same remainder, therefore the 17 congruent to mod 5. Then move on the method 2. Our first method is the remainder method and second method is the divisibility method or difference rule. In this case, we have to apply the n divided A minus B method. First, we have to check 17 minus 2 equal to 15. So, does 5 divided by 15? Yes, because 15 equal to 5 into 3. Therefore, 17 is congruent to 2 mod 5. Then move on to another example. 35 is congruent to 3 mod 4. Then these examples also used in two methods. First method to compute the remainders and second method is using divisibility. First method is 35 mod 4. 4 into 8 equal to 32 and 35 minus 32 equal to 3. Therefore, 35 mod 4 equal to 3. Then check whether the 3 mod 4. Then 3 is less than 5. So the remainder become 3. So 3 mod 4 equal to 3. Since both remainders are matched, so 35 is congruent 3 mod 4. Next we have to check the use divisibility method. In this case, 35 minus 3 equal to 32. Check if 4 divides the 32. Yes. Then 4 into 8 equal to 32. Therefore, 35 is congruent 3. That is our mod 4. Then move on to another example. That is minus 1 is congruent 6 mod 7. Many students gets confused with the negative number. Then first we have to move on the first step, compute the remainders. When the number is negative, add the modulus until it becomes positive. In this case, 1 is the negative number. So we have to add the modulus. That is negative 1 plus 7. That our value become 6. So negative 1 mod 7 equal to 6. That means negative 1 leaves the remainder 6 in mod 7 is arithmetic. So then to check the another number, that is the 6 mod 7. Then already know that 6 is less than 7, so remainder becomes 6. Therefore 6 mod 7 is 6. Since both remainders are the same, so negative 1 is congruent to 6 mod 7. By using the another method, that is the divisibility method, then negative 1 minus 6, that the divisibility method means a minus b, n divided by a minus b. In this case, minus 1 minus 6, that is equal to negative 7. Does 7 divided by the negative 7? Yes, because negative 7 equal to 7 into negative 1. Therefore, negative 1 is the congruent to mod 7. So, we are discussing about the modular arithmetic and congruence. Why do we use for the congruence? Congruence is simplifies calculations because instead of the large numbers, we work with their remainders which are smaller. That means in our real-time application, for example, the clock time mod 12. If it's 8 now, after 6 hours, the result become 8 plus 6 equal to 14. That is 14 mod 12 equal to 2. That is 2 o'clock. Days of the week. The another example is the days of the week. In our week become 7 days. So mod 7. If today is Wednesday, the day become 3. After 10 days, then 3 plus 10 mod 7. So 3 plus 10 equal to 13 mod 7. That is our resultant is 6. So our day is Saturday. Some practice problems are there. Try the practice problems and keep revising. That's all for the today lessons. We learned what the modular arithmetic is, how congruence work, and how to check using remainders and divisibility. Thank you for watching.